Imagine a world filled with knowledge, creativity and craftsmanship. Imagine a world filled with skill, ideas and power. Imagine a world filled with love, hope and dreams. Imagine a world tied together with a single thread. The thread that binds the world. The thread of Welspun. Spinning, unfolding, dauntless and gallant. The thread of Welspun spans across the globe to weave its perfect yarn. Building associations, creating value and augmenting ecological growth. We are Welspun, and Welspun India Limited is our commitment to the global textile industry. United by the ethical bonds of innovations, customer solutions and social consciousness. Welspun is the largest home textile company in the world and the largest manufacturer and exporter to 32 countries worldwide. A consistently expanding distribution network and customized delivery solutions with focus on client requisites makes Welspun the most preferred textile company in the world. So royally loyal we are to the textile business that Christie, the 150-year-old prestigious British brand and the creator of the Turkish terry towel, a regular commission for the Royal British Queen, handed over its legacy to us for carrying it forth into the new world. The finest equipment from across the world, the Welspun textile units were manifested. Situated in Vapi and Anjar in Gujarat, India, the textile manufacturing units of Welspun are a global representation of quality, technology and innovation. Built within the heart of Welspun's empirical crochet lies the engineering marvel, the Welspun City. The self-sustained powerhouse is bordered with design centers and sales offices across the world with focus on every aspect of its value chain from farm to stove and its vision of total home solutions. Active presence in Indian retail space expanding over 10 years as Spaces Home and Beyond empowers Welspun with brand and customer consciousness. The needlepoint, cross-stitched with ingeniously customized distribution methods, knits itself into one single exquisite business tapestry. Today, 1 out of every 8 towels in USA is manufactured by Welspun. Welspun products are the most preferred choice for homes and hotel chains globally. Bed Bath & Beyond, Walmart, JCPenney's, Marks & Spencer's, Macy's, Tesco, IKEA, Target, House of Fraser and even Wimbledon. Yes, it's the Welspun towel which comforts the compassion of an athlete, brings oneness to the soulful skin, provides the intimate feeling of the warm, soft touch called love. With global alliances and advanced technology research, manufacturing processes and development, Welspun marks its journey to become the fully integrated home textile company in the bed and bath segment and provide a one-stop shop solution to customers worldwide. Welspun dares to commit to its people. A substantial amount from the business proceedings is invested by the group in building the infrastructure for a sustainable and progressive community of the future. Built on the highest standards of science and technology, Welspun believes in the power of knowledge, thus creating several educational institutions for children and initiatives for women empowerment and gender equality. Our belief in the evolution of higher ecological ethos can be best defined by the 3 E's of Welspun's CSR yarn, which comprise of education, empowerment of women and health and environment, the threads of a growing needlework of progress and growth. We are Welspun and we dare to commit. We commit to the present as much as we commit to the future. The future, which is threaded with space technology, enhanced ecological systems, evolutionary mechanisms and ancient commitment, is the yarn in whose strands lies deep inside the soul of Welspun. And this is just the beginning of a grand new future A future engulfed in the fabric of amazement and dazzle. The fabric made out of the thread of Welspun. The thread that binds the world into one. Welspun.